Hey, David McGuffin here. Sunday, the 18th of March here in Nürnberg, Germany. A crazy freak snowstorm blew in last night. We've got probably about 3 or 4 inches on the ground. Here I'm in the city center. We're supposed to be having an Easter market today, believe it or not, similar to the Christmas markets here in Nürnberg. But I'm walking to the town square now, so we'll see what's open. Wow, Nuremberg, the Easter markets that looks like it should be Christmas. Your adventure starts right here and from Nuremberg with David McGuffin's Exploring Europe.